Tired of complicated international tuition payments? Flywire simplifies paying your tuition to Canadian schools, so let's walk through it step-by-step to make sure your payment goes smoothly. First, head to your school's website. Why Euro usually? There's a dedicated section for tuition or international student payments. Look for the Flywire option. Universities commonly partner with them to streamline international transactions. Click the Flywire link, and you'll be redirected to Flywire's secure platform. Here, you'll start by selecting your country of origin and the amount you need to pay in Canadian dollars. Why Euro? This is crucial for accurate conversion rates. Next, you will be asked to identify who is making the payment. Fill in your student details, including your name, student ID number, and contact information. This helps the school properly credit your account. Double-check everything. Flywire will then present you with various payment options, like bank transfers, credit cards, or other local payment methods available in your country. Choose the one that works best for you. If you choose a bank transfer, Flywire will provide you with detailed instructions and the necessary banking information, including the beneficiary account number and a reference code. Follow these instructions carefully when initiating the transfer from your bank. If paying by card, simply enter your card details securely. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details: the amount, exchange rate, recipient information, and payment method. Once you're satisfied, confirm your payment. After payment, Flywire will send you a confirmation email with a tracking number. You can use this to monitor your payment status. Flywire also keeps your school updated. And that's it. Paying tuition with Flywire is straightforward. With a few simple steps, you are set to have a smooth and secure transaction.